I will be making coffee scrub from ordinary coffee beans. Watch me as I take you along. Here I'm putting the coffee into a dry blender cup to blend properly with a blender, a very strong blender that will blend it into a smooth powder. Here is what the blended coffee looks like. It looks like brown sand. Then here I am adding sugar to the blended coffee, stirring properly. I'm adding about 25 ml of pure natural undiluted honey. Honey has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antibacterial properties. I also added about 25 ml of almond oil. Almond oil has good skin toning properties and helps to improve skin complexion. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, babe. Please note that this is an extemporaneous preparation and does not require the addition of water so that it can be preserved for a very long time. So that's me stirring it properly to combine. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Guys, you know that nothing wastes with me, so this is an empty container I got from a hair cream I bought, and I decided to convert it to my scrub jar because it is wide mouthed and well suitable for this purpose. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Testing. Here is me trying to test my final products in my bathroom, and I bet you this will help you remove dark marks, dark spots, and tone your skin and make your skin look smoother and fresher. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh. So here is me transferring the remaining scrub into a plastic bowl that I will be storing in my fridge. So once the one in my bathroom gets exhausted, I'll be refilling it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates like this. Bye for now. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing ideas like this. Bye, see you.